Take one. Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Molly.
We're with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas. And welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall.
Welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking. Come on. And this was the kitchen. It's going to be the kitchen. And we also have in that space and a few others.
Pull this way real quick. You'll see the fireplace.
The fireplace. There will not be a toilet in the middle of the bathroom, just so you know.
That's
I'm
from,
gonna go back in the shower.
we made from leftover pieces of the countertop.
The other part. You start and then I start and you start. Pretty much everything we're standing in, it's all gone. So it's one big kitchen island and it's going to be fabulous. So if you have any comments, please.
Positive comments.
Please leave the positive comments and we'll see you next time on Remodel Your Thinking.
Bye-bye.
And we'll see you next time.
Thanks.